Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Dentist YouTube. Today we are going to talk about differences between osteoblast and osteoclast. As or the topic of video suggests, osteoblast versus osteoclast. As we can see in the names, both of the cells osteoblast and osteoclast contains osteo in their name. That stands for bone. So we can say that both of these cells are related to bone. But today we are going to discuss about the differences between osteoblasts and osteoclasts. Starting with the first one, that is definition. Osteoclast is bone forming cell also involved in bone remodeling process derived from mesenchymal osteoprogenitor cells. While we can define osteoclast as a type of bone cell that is responsible for bone resorption. So, on the basis of definition, we can clearly differentiate between osteoblasts and osteoclasts, as osteoblasts are bone forming cells while osteoclasts are responsible for bone resorption, as both of the cells have totally opposite function. Going toward the second difference between osteoblasts and osteoclasts is development. Osteoblasts are developed from osteogenic cells or osteoprogenitor cells, while osteoclasts are developed from monocytes and macrophages. Monocytes and macrophages are basically the body defense cells that can differentiate into osteoclast. So on the basis of development, osteoblasts and osteoclasts can be differentiated, as osteoblasts are derived from osteogenic cells while osteoclasts are derived from monocytes and macrophages. Third difference between osteoblast and osteoclast is their cell morphology. So cell morphology of osteoblasts is that they are small and uninucleated cells. Uninucleated means they have one nucleus per cell, while the cell morphology of osteoclasts is that they are large multinucleated cells. That means they are large and they also have many nucleus per cell. So on the basis of cell morphology, osteoblasts and osteoclasts can differentiated, as the osteoblasts are small uninucleated cells while osteoclasts are large multinucleated cells. Going towards the fourth difference between osteoblasts and osteoclasts is on the basis of cell function. That is the main difference, as osteoblasts is involved in formation and mineralization of bone. So we can say osteoblasts perform two main functions, that is formation and then mineralization of bone. Formation of bone is basically the formation of bone matrix, while the mineralization of the bone is adding mineral to the bone matrix is called mineralization of the bone. While the function of osteoclast is the bone breakdown and bone resorption. So cell function also is totally different for osteoblasts and osteoclasts, as osteoblasts are involved in formation and mineralization of bone and osteoclasts are involved in bone breakdown and bone resorption. Thanks so much for watching our video. Keep watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.